So in this SwagBucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to redeem SwagBucks for a Walmart gift card here on SwagBucks. So once SwagBucks is opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right and select more or the three dots, then go to the top left and where it says redeem SB or redeem SwagBucks, press on that. Now once you're here, you can just scroll down and view a bunch of different gift cards that you have access to. So in this case, I have a Walmart gift card, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now once you're on this page right here, you're going to be able to see the different gift cards that you're allowed to exchange for. Now in my case, I don't have any SwagBucks, so I can't actually do that. But if you had, for example, 1,000 SwagBucks and you wanted to get, a $10 gift card out of that, it would go ahead, show up right here for you guys to make that transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can redeem SwagBucks for a Walmart gift card here on SwagBucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.